Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cook with Heart. So our today's recipe is very delicious and very crispy recipe. So our today's recipe is nachos without corn flour. Yes, you heard right, nachos without corn flour. This is very healthy version of nachos, yet it is super delicious, crispy and perfect. You can also store this nachos for 2 to 3 weeks in an airtight container. So without wasting time, let's start the recipe. To prepare the nachos, first we prepare the masala to increase the taste of our nachos. So here we have 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, 1 medium size onion which is roughly chopped, and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cover the grinder and grind it really well. To prepare the nachos dough, here we have a non-stick pan. We already added 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Now add prepared masala in the oil. Put the flame on medium to low. Cook the masala for 1 to 2 minutes to cut off its raw smell. After 2 minutes, as you can see, our masala is almost ready and it smells so nice. Now we add 1 cup of water in it and let it boil. After a boil, mix it really well. Put the flame on medium to low. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it really well. You can adjust the quantity of salt according to you. Now we add rice flour in it. So here we have 1 cup of rice flour. Add rice flour gradually to avoid lumps. Cook the mixture on medium to low flame for at least 2 to 3 minutes or the mixture starts forming lump. After 2 minutes, as you can see, our mixture is so smooth and it starts forming a lump, so it's perfect consistency. Now let it cool for a while. After 15 minutes, as you can see, our mixture is completely cooled down. Now knead it for a while so that we get more softer dough. To make the nachos out of it, take a small portion of nachos dough. Roll it like we do for the chapatis. Don't roll it too thin or thick. Its thickness should be like roti. Now we will cut it in strips. Take out the extra dough. You can also reuse it. Now cut triangles out of it. You can adjust the size of our nachos easily, and as you can see, our nachos is looking so perfect. We have to poke it to avoid bumping in our nachos while frying. So you can easily poke it right here, or you can also poke it before cutting triangles. So it is completely up to you. Now we will prepare the rest of nachos likewise. Our nachos are completely ready, so let's fry it. To fry the nachos, here I have refined oil which is already heated up. As you can see, nacho is easily frying, so let's add more of it. Put the flame on medium to low and fry the nachos till it golden brown in color. Do not add a lot of nachos at once, otherwise it will stick. So here is our all fried nachos, which is very crispy. As you can see, it is really perfect and it sounds superb. You can serve it as it is, or you can add masala to increase its taste. So now we're gonna prepare the masala to sprinkle over the nachos. So here we have a grinding jar. Firstly, we add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can also use the dry one. Next goes 1 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the quantity of salt according to you. Next we have 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid or nimbu sat. Next we add half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Here I am adding half teaspoon of roasted cumin because we gonna blend it, so it will become roasted cumin powder. Now cover the jar and blend it really well. Next we add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. So our delicious and tasty masala is completely ready. Now we will sprinkle it over our nachos. So here I have a bowl in which firstly we add nachos, then we sprinkle masala over it. Here quantity of masala is completely according to you. You can increase the quantity as well as you can decrease it too. Now mix it really well. Best way to mix it is just place it in an airtight container and shake it really well. So our nachos is completely ready. We gonna serve this nachos with delicious mayonnaise. So here I have homemade mayonnaise which is completely eggless and it is really easy to make. So if you want to know its complete recipe, link in description box, you can easily check out it. Here I am adding half teaspoon of earlier prepared masala which will just double the taste of our mayonnaise. So here is our tasty and delicious nachos is completely ready. No one can believe we prepared it in a very healthier way. We don't use any corn flour in this process and it's really crispy as you can see. It sounds superb and it tastes super delicious. If you prepared it once, it will definitely become your favorite snack. So give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below that how this recipe turned out to you. If you like the recipe, give it a big thumbs up. Share the recipe with your family and friends. And if you like to know the complete recipe in Hindi, you can also visit our channel Cook with Heart. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.